The world you were born into, the world of physical cash private. Banking and anonymous ownership has already been marked for deletion because 2026 is the red line where the future systems stop being a theory and start becoming the cold, algorithmic law of the global economy. This is the second pillar of the global ledger where we audit the terrifying transition from human-led markets to a sovereign AI finance matrix that does unjust manage your money but predicts and prevents your ability to spend it before you even make a choice. We are witnessing the birth of programmable finance, a system where the 2030 protocol will replace the dying dollar with a centralized digital bloodline that is hard-coded with expiration dates and geographic locks to ensure you never truly own anything ever again. While the masses are distracted by the theater of inflation, the global architects are silently installing financial smart grids that operate on a social credit as currency model, meaning your net worth in 2026 will no longer be measured by your bank balance, but by your compliance with the system's energy quotas and your alignment with the state's carbon-neutral mandates. The elites aren't just shifting the currency, they are rewriting the very DNA of value itself, moving us from a world of asset ownership to a world of asset access, where your house, your car, and your savings are merely nodes in a centralized feedback loop that can be switched off with a single line of code if your financial loyalty score drops. Look at the rise of CBDCs. It's not a tech upgrade, it's a financial trapdoor. Look at the integration of AI into the global stock exchange. It's not for efficiency, it's for the total elimination of the retail investor in favor of the institutional auditor. By the time 2030 arrives, the shadow ledger will be the only place where true sovereignty exists. But the gates to that ledger are being guarded by the same entities that are burning the old world to the ground. Every transaction you make today is a data point being fed into a predictive model that will determine your economic survival tier in the next decade, turning the global market into a high-tech open-air prison where the bars are made of encrypted code and the wardens are invisible algorithms. The 2026 red line is the last moment of financial choice. You can either stay in the failing fiat matrix and watch your legacy be liquidated by the reset, or you can learn to navigate the decentralized protocols that the future systems are desperately trying to outlaw. The map of wealth is being redrawn in total silence, and those who cannot see the financial code behind the chaos are not just losing their money, they are losing their future sovereignty to a machine that never sleeps, never forgets, and never audits itself. The ledger is closing, the ink is drying on the New World Order's balance sheet, and once the 2030 protocol is locked, the exit doors will vanish forever. You are not watching a documentary, you are witnessing your own financial autopsy. Welcome to the audit of the end. Stay ahead of the shift.